Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. My name is Syafira Chandra Gunawan. I'm from Marketing Management Industry Electronics 2B2, and today I want to make a dessert cake. This is a mug cake brownie because I love it. I love chocolate. Now, make them in the microwave. It's also really simple and easy, and you can do it make at home. Before I start to make this dessert cake, you will need some ingredients, and these ingredients is, check it out. 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay, let's go to make a dessert cake. This is a mug cake brownie. Okay, first put your egg. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. And then mix well. And pour 2 tablespoons of oil into a glass. Mix. And don't forget to 2 tablespoons of flour. And don't forget for this chocolate. This is a cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then mix again. Then put in a microwave for 2 or 3 minutes just until it looks dry. Put it over here. Wow, it's so yummy and tasty. Ta-da! Finally! Oh, it's very hot, and I will try. I will taste this dessert cake at the time of iftar. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you try this dessert cake at home, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe and keep healthy for everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.